Hello and welcome to the 2024 Rubbish Film Festival Regional Awards ceremonies. Now in its 8th year, the festival has gone from strength to strength, with 13 local authorities and over 90 schools taking part.
These awards celebrate the creativity, the hard work and the talent of transition year students in participating schools right throughout Ireland.
Before we proceed, we would like to thank the local authorities and county councils for their continued support.
We'd also like to express the gratitude of the Environmental Protection Agency for helping us create awareness on these important issues.
Now let's move on to why we are here, to find out who took part, what the movies are, and of course, who are the winners.
Well, in County Kerry, Justin, we had 5 schools taking part. And these schools are St Patrick's Secondary School, Presentation Secondary School Tralee, Kenmare Community School, St Bridget's Killarney, Cloister na Riachta. Each participating school had to make a 1-minute movie and a poster.
They took an idea from paper, directed, produced, starred and edited everything you will see.
So without further ado, let's sit back, relax and enjoy the movies.
Hi, we are the students of St. Pat's Castle Island and we made the movie Fire in the Eyes. It's about a guy who refuses to face the facts about the environment. We hope you enjoy watching it.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. You're listening to RT News. Recently, there's been reports of wildfires spreading across the country. These fires have been spotted in Kerry, Mayo and Limerick. What are we going to do about this?
This is all your fault. What are you going to do?
Look at this guy. Afraid to look at his own TV. You can't escape the facts of climate change.
I told you, you can't get away. Didn't you hear me? You can't change the channel on climate change.
Hi, we're the students from St Bridget's and we made the film called From Bean to Bin. It's about a girl who has a choice between a paper cup and a to-go cup. She initially makes the wrong choice but then ends up doing the right thing in the end. We hope you enjoy.
Next!
Hi, can I have a mocha, please?
No problem, my dear. And would you like it in a paper cup or in a to-go cup?
A paper cup, please.
Oh, okay. Here you go. Next!
Can I have a mocha, please?
Would you like it in a paper cup or in a to-go cup?
A to-go cup, please.
Hello, we're the students from County Kerry. We made the film Green to Grey, and it's about a broken friendship
Okay, let's take another picture.
I've always loved this place.
Guys, they built a wall here.
It doesn't matter.
Okay guys, let's come in for another reunion photo. What's the point of coming here? I don't recognize this anymore.
I still like it. We had fun here, didn't we?
We did, I guess. That was a long time ago. It's over.
Don't say that.
Stop arguing! I'm leaving.
Fine.
Hello, we're the students from Public School Michigan, and we made a film today about a consumerism addiction and its effect on climate change and boxes. And we hope that you enjoy.
So, something terrible happened. So it all started last week now, class. This is Sarah.
Now, as I was saying, we are living in a climate emergency.
Over the next few weeks, I watched it spread. Like, it was just getting worse and worse. I have one idea. If it doesn't work, I don't know what I'm going to do. They're everywhere now.
If things continue like this, our planet will be uninhabitable by the year 2050. In the last decade, our temperatures have been at the highest they've ever been in 125 years. CO2 levels have been the highest they've been in 2 million years. Stop buying and start thinking. Do you hear me?
We were really lucky, but I'll never really feel safe again.
We are the students of Closh and Railta. We made a film about a lumberjack and an environmentalist. We hope you enjoy.
Cut down trees to feed my family and I. What about climate change? Don't lecture me, I'm an educated man. You don't know what you're talking about. You're ruining the earth. I hate you.
You, what are you doing here?
You accuse me of destroying the environment, and now you must die.
I'm not scared of you.
What on earth are you talking about?
The root problem is oil.
Oil? I hate those guys.
Me too.
Congratulations everyone for those fantastic movies and for all of the hard work you put in.
It's great to see such amazing creativity, and we were so impressed to see how you captured the essence of the festival themes.
Yeah, well done everyone. And now, the time has come to announce the winners. First up, the best poster.
And the winner is...
Well done.
Well done, guys.
Great effort. Brilliant. Well done. And now the film categories. The award for the runner-up film goes to...
Well done.
Woo. And finally, the award for best film. The award for best film goes to... Oh, wow. Brilliant. Before we close, we'd like to say a huge thank you to the sponsors, to the students and the schools that have taken part.
The work we've seen carries vital environmental messages. They remind us of our responsibility to protect our planet for future generations.
We'll be in touch with the winners shortly to arrange for delivery of their awards. And a reminder too that the award winners for Best Film and Best Poster go through to the National Awards that'll be taking place shortly.
So let's continue to support young creatives as they advocate for positive change.
Thank you very much for watching.
Thanks, guys.